Well, it's really crowded here at the Teapot. We're lucky to find a spot. Apparently it's not a huge attraction. I don't know why, it's adorable.
We're on a road trip across the western states of America. Our plan, discover beautiful and weird places, see some friends and family, and stealth camp most nights in our micro camper. We named our car Toastie because Honda Elements are shaped like toasters. Let's go and enjoy the journey.
We just got to Washington, and that bridge is wild. Definitely fun to drive over, unless you're scared of heights like I am, and then it's slightly less fun. We're going to Cape Disappointment, and we can't wait. We're walking out to like the convergence or the confluence, I can't remember. It's where the Columbia River, the West Coast's largest river, meets the Pacific Ocean, and it's very epic. Tons of driftwood on the beach, crazy rocks, like the Army Corps built this. It's like wicked lighthouse, Laney. I don't know if we're gonna walk all the way out there. It looks like it's like a mile. Yeah, this is radical. Woo! Oh yeah, you can totally see the difference. Look. River, ocean. Leaving Aberdeen, the home of Kurt Cobain, apparently. Yeah, we had a really good day. We were gonna sort of sleep at this abandoned mall parking lot. We read a few things about it online, but it seems a little dicey. And like, it's not dark yet, so we're gonna keep pushing on. We're not gonna do the Olympic Peninsula. We have some plans in Seattle, so we're just gonna head straight there. Enjoy Seattle. Left another rest stop. That one was actually really nice. And we're heading to Seattle. We're about an hour and a half away. I'm gonna show Lainey my old crappy neighborhood. And then yeah, it's gonna be a free day in Seattle. Have some fun today, do some work for the next 2 days, and then it's off to the great interior of Potato Land and Cowboy World of Idaho and Wyoming. We rolled into the rest stop last night at like 9. I guess, like right around sunset, a little bit before dark, which is like the best way to do it. We just couldn't find a good campsite. We were too close to the Olympic National Park, whatever. I'm sure there's plenty, we just couldn't find them. So we were pretty tired from driving, pulled in, set up, went to bed. If you need to do it, that's the way to do it. Get to a rest stop late, sleep, get up, and go have a good day. Cowboy Potato Land. Away, and the cowboy boots are still here, which is really exciting to see because these are stupid and I love them.
There you go. Howdy, partner.
crowded, but that's the original Starbucks.
We had a very sleep-full 2 days in Seattle with our friends. They put us up in like an awesome house. We got to recharge the batteries and have some pizza and hang out. And yeah, man, 5 stars. 5 stars for Seattle with our friends. It's great. It's a crazy day today. Blue skies and snow on Rainier as we head to the east.
We stayed with our friends last night in Snoqualmie just to kind of break up our drive to Idaho. It didn't really break up our drive. But
It's like 45 minutes.
But it was a lovely time to recharge with dear friends and have just a night in a real bed again.
7 hours of driving today, heading toward another friend and family. And yeah, we don't actually know what today's gonna look like.
No, it's just a lot of driving, maybe a little audiobook. Today I think is our longest day of driving so far, so we gotta get into the groove, into the jam. We got a car full of clean clothes,
Oh my
nothing
God.
smells, it's so fresh in here.
Hello, and welcome to In Your Element, the daily rockin' talk show of a man in a car who glances to his right every now and then while he talks about what's in front of him. On today's show, mountains and a bunch of road on the way to Boise. We're gonna see a teapot. Who knows? And that's all I understand. Toaster. Teapot. Here's your jam witch. That was really cool to see. You forget how freaking huge those things are because they're 200 feet off the ground. We stopped for lunch and the friggin' turbine caught up to us, and we're on like a windy uphill road, and the turbine's the size of a football field, so the turbine wins. We pulled over to check out a hot spring that turned out to be kind of closed, and we get back on the freeway, and what do we see? A turbine for the 3rd time. I love this thing. This thing is defining our day.
Oh my God, I really do.
Here we come, Potato Land.
Say that again. Say the last part.
Here, look out, potatoes. We're gonna butter you up. Uh-oh. Here's one hot potato you can't touch. What's that? Potato Man.